Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send messages on TikTok even to celebrities, not only to the professional accounts. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Let's think about who we want to message today. Let's say for example we want to message to some celebrity. Let's say click on the search bar and let's find Gary V. There you have it. You want to click on the profile of the person you want to send a message to, and if the person allows you, they will have this message button over here. You see it? You click on the message button and you send the message to the person you want to message to. The pro tip over here, guys, is that you could only send up to 3 messages until they reply to you, meaning you send first message, no one replies to you, then the counter starts counting against you. Then you have 2 more messages, and if they still don't reply to you, you cannot message them anymore. This is why my advice is to be very concentrated and very focused on what you actually want to tell them. Okay, if you just want to say hi, probably don't lose your shots, right? If you really have a message or business proposition, or you want to invite Gary for a podcast or for an interview, right? You can just put it in the whole message, because like I said, you have only 3 chances to reach out to him and to get him reply to you. So make sure to include the whole proposition, the whole idea of why you're reaching out to him within these 3 messages. Okay, for more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.